Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to lock, hide and unhide applications on your iPhone 17 Air. So let's begin with locking our application. On your home screen, you have to press and hold application that you want to lock, and you want to select option to require passcode. Basically, if you have your Face ID, if you use Face ID, you will see here option to require Face ID, but since I don't use that, I have only my passcode, then I will see require passcode option, but you should see require Face ID. Now I have to enter my passcode, and whenever I go to my journal application, I will have to enter my passcode. Yes, and now what about hiding application? You have to press and hold it, and you want to select option to remove application, enter your password to confirm it, and you want to select remove from home screen. And now you see that it's gone, but it's not deleted, because if I go to my searching bar and type journal, I will see that I still have journal application. And basically, how to unhide application, you have to swipe right like this to app library, and from this app library you want to find your journal application, and you want to press and hold it, and you want to select add to home screen button, and here it is again. So that's pretty simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.